हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल HYYL इंग्लिश लिटरेचर। कैसे हैं आप लोग? आशा करता हूं आप सब अच्छे हैं और मज़े में हैं। आप सभी का प्यार और सपोर्ट के लिए दिल से थैंक्स देता हूं। इसी तरह आपका लव और सपोर्ट बनाए रखें। अभी मेरे वीडियोस MCQs के ऊपर है, लेकिन मैं जल्द ही डिस्क्रिप्टिव वीडियोस भी लॉन्च करने वाला हूं। सो बी कनेक्टेड फॉर ऑल अपडेट और मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए। ऑल्सो चैनल को अपने दोस्तों में शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी इन वीडियोस से मदद मिले। अब और देर ना करते हुए लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर वीडियो।
In which year was Evelyn Waugh born? So our options are 1901, 1903, 1905 and 1908. So the correct option will be 1903. Our next question is, in which year Evelyn Waugh died? 1960, 1964, 1966, 1970. So the correct option will be 1966. Our next option is, what is the real name of Evelyn Waugh? So the options are Arthur Evelyn, Arthur Evelyn St. John Waugh, John Arthur Evelyn Waugh, Matthew Evelyn St. Waugh. So the correct answer is Arthur Evelyn St. John Waugh. Our next option is, to which country Evelyn Waugh belonged? So the options are England, Denmark, Switzerland, France. So the correct option is England. Our next question is, name the trilogy of Evelyn Waugh. Zest trilogy, Malayan trilogy, Sword of Honor, none of the above. So the correct option will be Sword of Honor. So it was a trilogy which was written between 1952 and 61. Our next question is, which one of the work is not among his trilogy works? Now you have to say which is the work out of the four options which is not one of the trilogies, who now not one among his trilogies. The options are Men at Arms, Wild Bodies, Officers and Gentlemen, Unconditional Surrender. So the correct option is Wild Bodies. So Wild Bodies is the one work which does not belong to the trilogy. Our next question is, for which work he received James Tate Black Memorial Prize? The options are Men at Arms, Wild Bodies, Officers and Gentlemen, Unconditional Surrender. So the correct option is Men at Arms. Our next question is, whose biography did Waugh write in the year 1927? The options are Virginia Woolf, Thomas Carlyle, D.H. Lawrence, Dante Gabriel Rossetti. So the correct answer is Dante Gabriel Rossetti. Our next question is, when did Waugh convert to Catholicism? The options are 1925, 1930, 1935, 1940. So the answer is 1930. After the failure of his first marriage, Waugh converted to Catholicism. So when his marriage failed, and after that, in the year 1930, he converted to Catholicism. Our next question is, in 1927, Evelyn Waugh and Evelyn Gardiner became engaged and soon became to be known by his friends age. So in the year 1927, Evelyn Waugh and Evelyn Gardiner, they got engaged. Now you can see here, Waugh, his first name is Evelyn, and his wife's, the going to be wife, her first name is also Evelyn. So they soon came to be known. His friends started calling them Edge, Mr. Waugh and Mrs. Waugh. Next option is Mr. Evelyn and next Mrs. Evelyn. The third option is he Evelyn and she Evelyn. And the fourth option is first Evelyn and second Evelyn. So friends, the option is already shown here. The option is he Evelyn and she Evelyn. Our next question is, what was the name of his first volume of autobiography? The options are Edmund Champion, The Life of the Right Reverend, Remote People, A Little Learning. So the correct option is A Little Learning, which was published in the year 1964. Our next question is, what was the cause of Evelyn Waugh's death? So the options are head injury, drowning, heart failure, kidney failure. So what's the option, friends? The correct option is heart failure. Evelyn Waugh, he died of heart failure. Next question is, who said that the literary world was sinking into black disaster and that literature might die within 30 years? So you have to name the person, name the writer who's remarked this. The options are Evelyn Waugh, Ellen Silito, Julian Barnes, and Anthony Burgess. So the correct option is Evelyn Waugh. The next question is, Evelyn Waugh was dash of the 1950s writers group known as the Movement. So here you have to fill up the blank. The options are admirer, scornful, supporter, none of the above. The correct option is scornful. Evelyn Waugh was scornful of the 1950s writers. The writers group was known as the Movement. The next question is, what was supposed to be the original title of the Wild Bodies? His work Wild Bodies, it was supposed to be given a different title. So what was the original title? The options are Bright Daylight, Dark Old Night, Bright Young Things, Dark Night. So the correct answer is Bright Young Things. Our next question is, who was the anti-hero of the novel Wild Bodies? So here it is asked about the anti-hero. Who was the anti-hero of the novel Wild Bodies? The options are Paul Pennyfeather, Charles Ryder, Guy Krochbeck, Adam Fenwick Symes. So the correct option is Adam Fenwick Symes. Our next question is, which was the first published novel of Evelyn Waugh? The options are Decline and Fall, Brideshead Revisited, A Handful of Dust, and the fourth option is Helena. So the correct option is Decline and Fall. Our next question is, in which novel the plot follows the life and times of the helpless Paul Pennyfeather, a student at Oxford University. So, a student of Oxford University, in which novel the character of Paul Pennyfeather exists. So, the options are Decline and Fall, Brideshead Revisited, A Handful of Dust, and the fourth option is Helena. The correct answer is Decline and Fall. The next question is, which novel published in 1954 deals with what is theologically termed the operation of grace? The options are Decline and Fall, Brideshead Revisited, A Handful of Dust, and Helena. What's the correct answer, friends? The correct answer is Brideshead Revisited. It was published in the year 1945. The next question is, who is the protagonist of the novel Brideshead Revisited? The options are Paul Pennyfeather, Charles Ryder, Guy Crochbeck, Adam Fenwick Symes. So the correct option is Charles Ryder. Our next question is, what is the complete title of the novel Brideshead Revisited? The options are Brideshead Revisited, The Sacred and Profane Memories of Captain Charles Ryder. The second option is Brideshead Revisited, The Holistic and Profane Memories of Captain Charles Ryder. The third option is Brideshead Revisited, The Sacred Memories of Captain Charles Ryder. The fourth option is Brideshead Revisited, The Profane Memories of Captain Charles Ryder. So the correct option is the Brideshead Revisited, The Sacred and Profane Memories of Captain Charles Ryder. The option A is correct. Our next question is, which novel Waugh himself referred as magnum opus? To which novel Waugh himself he said it is the magnum opus or among his works? The options are Decline and Fall, Brideshead Revisited, A Handful of Dust, Helena. So the correct option is Brideshead Revisited. The next question is the title of the novel, A Handful of Dust, published in the year 1934 by Evelyn Waugh, is taken from which novel the title the title of the work A Handful of Dust is taken? The options are Jane Eyre, Macbeth, The White Devil, The Wasteland. So the correct option is The Wasteland. The next question is, the story of which novel by Waugh concerns the misfortunes of Tony Last, a contented but shallow English country squire who, having been betrayed by his wife Brenda and seen his illusions shattered one by one, seeks solace by joining an expedition to the Brazilian jungle, only to find himself trapped in a remote outpost as the prisoner and plaything of an insane settler. So the options are Decline and Fall, Brideshead Revisited, A Handful of Dust, and Helena. So the correct option is A Handful of Dust. The next question is, the trilogy Sword of Honor was published in US by what name? The Sword of Honor, it was published in US by a different name. So what was the what was the name by which it was published? The options are The Battle of Sword, The End of the Battle, The War of Sword, the beginning of the battle. So the correct option is The End of the Battle. Now our next question is, who is the protagonist in the trilogy Sword of Honor? In the trilogy, I already mentioned you earlier, he wrote a trilogy Sword of Honor. So in this trilogy, who was the protagonist? The options are Paul Pennyfeather, Charles Ryder, Guy Krochbeck, Adam Fenwick Symes. So the correct option is Guy Krochbeck. Option C. Our next question is, which one is not a work of Evelyn Waugh? The options are Decline and Fall, Black Mischief, Children of Violence, Scoop. So the correct option is Children of Violence. So the Children of Violence was written by Doris Lessing. Our next question is, which novel published in 1950 is a novel about the mother of Constantine the Great, in which Waugh recreated one moment in Christian history to assert a particular theological point? The options are Decline and Fall, Brideshead Revisited, A Handful of Dust, and Helena. So the correct option is Helena. Our next question is, the title of the novel The Decline and Fall by Waugh is a contraction of Edward Gibbon's novel. Which novel? The options are The Decline and Fall, The History of the Decline and Fall of the Roman Empire, The History of the Decline and Fall, The History of the Decline and Fall of the Ottoman Empire. So the correct option is The History of the Decline and Fall of the Roman Empire, option B. Our next question is, which is the first commercial published fiction of Evelyn Waugh? Our, op- our options are A House of Gentle Folks, Love in the Slum, The Balance, Too Much Tolerance. So the correct option is The Balance.